I'm Hannah Perrin for WEBN. Today I sat down with production designer John Schaffner, where he shared with me how Monica and Rachel could afford their large apartment on the television show Friends.
Over the years on Friends, people have written and asked, how could they afford this big apartment in New York City? And the answer is actually very simple, because I lived in New York City and I had to find a cheap apartment. And what you do is you find a walk-up, which means only stairs, no elevator, and it's the 6th floor. Now, of course, there was a wonderful story, and I don't remember if they were in the 6th floor or not, in Barefoot in the Park. Their first apartment was up a long flight of stairs. So apartments get cheaper by the floor if there's no elevator, especially by the time you get to the 6th floor. However, that's not a concept that many people in America understand. So they put in the story that this apartment had been rent controlled and had been the grandmother's apartment. And so they had been able to take over the lease under the same conditions, and that's how they could afford to live there. But if you watch the first few episodes, they oftentimes come through the door panting and out of breath from walking up 6 flights of stairs. Now, I'm assuming to this day that the 6th floor walk-ups are still cheaper than with no elevator. So, and actually, it's very close to the apartment that we lived in New York in terms of its size.